morning wood. For most men, it's a natural sign that things are working. When it disappears, it's not just about sex. It's your body waving a red flag. Morning erections, or nocturnal penile tumescence, are more than random events. They signal healthy testosterone, deep sleep, good circulation, and low stress. When they fade, it's often a deeper issue. Low testosterone, poor blood flow, chronic stress, sleep issues, inflammation. And the fix? Not pills. Not quick hacks. But a simple nighttime routine that helps reset your system naturally. 1. Turn off screens before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin, your sleep hormone. Poor sleep means low testosterone. Switch off your phone and TV 1 hour before bed. Use warm light, read a book, or just chill in silence. 2. Drink a testosterone-boosting tea. Try a mix of ashwagandha, ginger, and chamomile. Ashwagandha lowers stress. Ginger improves blood flow. Chamomile helps you relax and sleep. 3 natural remedies, 1 cumin tea. 3. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Testosterone peaks during deep sleep. No shortcuts here. Create a bedtime schedule and stick to it. Avoid late meals and caffeine. Let your body recover overnight. 4. Eat a light, nutrient-rich dinner. Heavy, late-night meals equals inflammation and poor sleep. Instead, go for leafy greens, magnesium. Pumpkin seeds, zinc. Avocados or olive oil, healthy fats. These support hormones and immune function. These aren't random lifestyle tips. They are science-backed strategies that support real male health. Final note. Morning wood isn't just a guy thing. It's a powerful sign your system is healthy. When it fades, listen. Fix your routine. Fuel your body right. Let your body bounce back naturally. You don't need magic pills. You need a consistent, healthy routine.